It's me, Anika Kai, back again with another Gel X nail tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how I did the ultimate winter white mani. I'm resizing the tips to fit over my natural nail by filing them down. Once I've got all 10 tips the correct size, I'm prepping my nail by removing any oils with a nail dehydrator. Next, I'm adding a thin coat of primer, followed by a thin coat of gel. Now we're ready to apply the tips. You want to apply a thin layer of the glue to the tip and then pull more glue at the base. When I did my thumb, I didn't have enough glue to reach the top of the nail. I ended up removing the nail and adding more glue, and it was almost enough, but not quite. Instead of soaking off the nail and starting all over again, I brushed more glue on the back and used gravity to fill the gaps. I made it enough. This was the most struggle set ever, oh my god, because I did not have enough glue. I'll be trying the Apres brand glue the next time because this glue is not cutting it anymore. I repeated the same steps on the other fingers and flash cured for 10 seconds until all the nail tips were attached. I popped them in the big lamp for an additional 60 seconds for a full cure. This step is crucial because any gel that isn't fully cured can seep into your nail bed and cause irritation or an allergic reaction. I'm a perfectionist, so I filed the tips down and blended the cuticle with my e-file. I want this set to look like it's growing right out of my cuticle. Once I've perfected the shape, I remove the shine with a buffing block. Now it's time for our base color. I chose this milky white polish and painted 2 thin coats. I cured each coat for 60 seconds before adding a matte top coat. Once that dried, I used an opaque white gel polish to draw my French tip. This was probably the most tedious part. I learned this trick on TikTok to make the French tips easier, but honestly, the OCD in me kicked in and I spent way too much time trying to make each one perfect. After a while, it looked fine, so I just moved on. I dug into my Razzle Dazzle drawer for some inspo. I couldn't decide between rhinestones or pearls, so I just used them both. I didn't really have a plan going into this, I just wanted to try my new rhinestone glue gel from Beetles, so I used a dotting tool to dab the glue on the nail and my rhinestone picker to place the stones. This glue is so strong. I didn't have any stones pop off in the entire 2 weeks that I wore this set. Once I liked the placement, I cured it under my nail lamp for 30 seconds. And that's how we got our winter white French manicure. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!